Welcome back. 4 labourers were injured after a slab collapsed on Friday at Chaudi Canacona. These labourers were shifted to Canacona Hospital and later to Hospicio Hospital in Madgaon. One of the labourers is seriously injured and is undergoing treatment in Hospicio.
At about 8:30 in the morning of Friday, a slab of Ruby Residency collapsed at Chaudi Canacona. Construction of the second floor of the building was in progress, which suddenly collapsed. 4 labourers were injured in the accident and one is critically injured and is admitted to Hospicio.
कॉन्क्रीट चालू आशिल्लो आमगेलो आनी कॉन्क्रीट चालू करता आसतना त्या स्पॉटाचेर कॅन्टिलिवर स्लॅब आसलो आनी त्या स्लॅबाचेर आमगे वायब्रेटर जेन्ना पळय तें कॉन्क्रीट चालू जाता आसतना वायब्रेटर चालू केलो म्हणटकच एक पळय आमची सायड आसा ती सायड सुटली सायड सुटून लेबराक ऑफ बॅलन्स जाला ऑफ बॅलन्स जावन ते जवळ जवळ सकयल पडले नो मॅटर हायटीचे सकयल पडले
लेबराक मार बी तशें कितें लागला
दोग जाणां मातशी एकट्या पांयां लागला आनी एकट्या मातशी तोंडां लागला बाकी दोग जाणां बरे आसात मेजर कांय इंजुरी ना
आतां आमकां काणकोण हॉस्पिटलां आसा काय मडगांव
ना काणकोण तांकां पयलीं दाखयल्लो आमी काणकोणच्यान तांकां मडगांव येयला मडगांवच्यान तांकां तांकां नॉर्मली हांवें सांगलें म्हाज्या खर्चाचेर हांव सिटी स्कॅन तें सगळें करून पळयता आतां कांय ते हितूंतल्यान भायर आसा.
Babbish Borkar for Prudent Media.
State Pollution Control Board has adjourned hearing of 10 mining companies by 8 weeks. Petitioner Goa Foundation has alleged that the companies are involved in excess mining and have violated provisions of the environmental clearances. The board has granted 4 weeks time to the NGO for getting the data from the Indian Bureau of Mines and additional 4 weeks time for the mining companies to respond.
Goa State Pollution Control Board held hearing of 10 mining companies on Friday. High Court had directed the State Pollution Control Board to conduct hearing of these mining companies allegedly involved in excess mining. Goa Foundation also claims that the companies have violated provisions of the environmental clearances. The cases came up for hearing before the board on Friday. During the hearing, Goa Foundation raised objection to the data provided by the State Directorate of Mines. Goa State Pollution Control Board had earlier in the last week adjourned the hearing of 48 mining companies by 8 weeks on similar grounds. Board has granted 4 weeks time to the Goa Foundation for getting the data from the Indian Bureau of Mines and additional 4 weeks time for the mining companies to respond. High Court has directed the Indian Bureau of Mines to provide the data to the Goa Foundation.
We called those mines also for hearing today. So today's hearing was regarding that aspect. Anything else? No, the same thing was decided. What was decided in case of the previous 48 mines, that the Goa Foundation will seek additional information from the Indian Bureau of Mines regarding the production of ore during the period, which they assume that it will be the correct information, and then accordingly the mines will have to respond to that. So we have given 4 weeks time for the Goa Foundation to submit additional information, data from the data from the Indian Bureau of Mines, and this data, these figures will be available to the mines, and they'll be given additional 4 weeks time to respond to that.
Reporter Navdeep Aguiar with video journalist Prajot Pednekar for Prudent Media.
MLAs in opposition are gearing up for the monsoon assembly session set to begin from 12 July. Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has threatened to hit the streets if Fatorda post office is not made operational within 8 days. He has also demanded special security cell for the tourists. Moreover, he slammed Environment Minister Alina Saldana on mining dumps. On the other side, Kurthuri MLA alias Reginald Lawrence has demanded installation of dialysis machines at Canacona Health Center.
Somehow the post office has got paralyzed and it is not functional. I want to use this opportunity to warn the post department that if within 7 days they don't set this thing in order, then we will have to take direct action. People will come out on the streets.
Vijay Sardesai has it out strongly at BJP-led government. He says government is not serious on protecting the tourists.
The present government has decided to disband the tourism security force, which makes me feel that the present government is not serious about protecting tourists in the state.
Vijay Sardesai further slammed Alina Saldana on mining dumps.
आमची नवीच एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर जाल्या तिने पयलो स्टेटमेंट काढलो की आपण 1 इंच पसून जमीन फॉरेस्ट लँड मायनिंगाक दिवचे ना. आयज जो स्टेटमेंट सरकाराचो येता ऑन डम्प्स ताजेर अशें दिसता की इंच न्ही हेक्टर दिवपाक तांणी तयार केला. लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मीटर दिवपाक सरकार तयार जाला.
Alex Reginald has demanded better facilities in Canacona Health Center. Center badly needs dialysis units as the number of patients facing kidney disorders is comparatively high in Canacona.
Canacona Hospital, let us work, let us see that there are more doctors, let us see that there are patients are taken care, and that stigma also goes away from the people. Let us put that hospital in order, let us see that the dialysis both in hospicio as well as this power cam. Last time pasun म्हणलें की hospicio hospital power cuts जातात आणि की जाता काय ना simple systems inverters घालपा जाय आणि की बारीक बारीक systems can be put in order hospitals आणि दोन operation करपा आता.
A reporter Savio Dice for Prudent Media.
Chairperson's name on the dustbins in Madgaon city has sparked controversy. Opposition has hit out at the city chairperson Arthur De Silva for using municipal schemes for personal benefit and publicity. And that's not all. The chairperson is facing charges for the former NRI Commissioner Edward Falero for substandard work of sports complex at Raya. Watch this report.
Councillor Joseph De Silva has alleged that the sanitary inspector is hand in gloves with the chairperson.
गोडी ना म्हणटलो पण म्हाका तरी दिसता हो सॅनिटरी इन्स्पेक्टर पासून ताका मेळ्ळो कडी ना. कित्याक आर्थूर डिसिल्वा म्हणटा तो करप्ट मनीस म्हण हे सगळे आख्खे फादोर्डा लोकांक खबर आहा. कित्याक तो इतलो टॅक्टिकल मनीस आहा तो कितें आत्ते आसलो पत्ती करपाक ताका टायम ना.
That's not all. Arthur is also facing charges from the former Rajya Sabha MP Edward Falero. Falero has charged Arthur of substandard work at Raya Sports Complex and has demanded his blacklisting from the contractors list. Arthur has rubbished the charges.
हे म्हाजेर फर्स्ट एलिगेशन म्हाका दिसता खंयच्या एक एमपीन घातलें आसतलें, एक नॉमिनेटेड एमपीन घातलें हें. हांव एक पयलींच्यानच एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर फ्रॉम लास्ट 22 इयर्स जालीं. स्वताच काम करून स्वता सायटीर रावन काम करून घेवपी हांव.
Meanwhile, Margaon municipality has demolished all illegal hutments behind Kadamba bus stand in Margaon. People claim that the migrants polluted the surrounding fields by throwing plastic and other waste.
Kadamba bus stand फाटल्यान गोंयच्यो बसी उबे रावता पळय थिंगा इल्लीगल हे टेंट्स बांदून हे सगळे भायले लोक येवन हिंगा रावले. सगळे म्हणटा प्लास्टीक हाडटा हिंगा जमा करताय, शेतान सोडटाय, शेतान उडयताय, हळशीक करताय.
A reporter Savio Dice for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.